Welcome. This is how to schedule email in Outlook. So guys, if you are wondering on how to do that, first, of course, just simply open up your Outlook software. Now, once you are here, guys, just do the usual thing by creating a new email over here on the top right corner of the screen. And now, once you have your email over here, you can just simply go ahead and provide the email of the person that you are going to send this to, provide the subject and the information about it. And now once you have filled up everything and your email is ready to go, you can just simply go for the file over here on the email tab, as you can see, and you will have an option over here, properties. So select that. And now from here, as you can see, you will have an option here, do not deliver before. So from here, just simply provide the date on when you are going to send this email to. So provide the day and provide the time as well. And after that, you will have an option that this email can expire. So pretty much this can be depending on you based on your personal preferences. And now, once you are done with everything, once you have changed some things, you just simply close it. And after that, you can just simply select send, and you should be able to send a scheduled meeting for this specific email. There you go. See ya.